Hello everyone, thanks for joining us again. This is Robert with Tampa Bay Auto Network, here to do a walk around with you on a 2019 Toyota CHR XLE. We started our walk arounds as a way of being as transparent as possible, to show you all the things that will not show up in our 100 high definition photos that are located on our website. If you're on our website and you'd like to see those photos, just scroll down, they're located below the video. If you'd like to see a detailed vehicle description, which highlights features and options of the CHR, just scroll up. They're located above the video. If you're on our YouTube page and would like to see those, plus get a free CARFAX report, see the original window sticker, get financing options, or a quote for shipping anywhere in the country, please visit TampaBayAutoNetwork.com. At the end of the video, you'll be able to hear the engine running on the CHR. Thanks again for joining us, and let's get to the walk around. All right, walking around the CHR. Good tread on the tires, as you can see. There is one little baby chip there. One little love bug mark here. My finger is a point of reference. But for 3 years on the road, the nose of the CHR is in well above average condition. There is a heavy scratch here that's, as you can see, about 1.5 inches long, and another one that's like 1/2 inch long right here that will not buff out. And in case you happen to see it in the pictures, right here is actually the protective plastic chipping off, not paint. Same thing right here at the door. This is a plastic protecting strip that's chipping away. Other than that, the finish is in perfect condition. The roof is as well. Let's take a look at the interior, shall we? Okay, showing you what you can't see in our photos, which is the headliner, which in this car is flawless, as well as this side of the visors, which is also flawless, and the dash on top, which is in like new condition. If you have any questions at all about the CHR, don't hesitate to give us a call. We'll be happy to answer any questions.